If you're seeing Chrome error 429, the most important thing to know is that this usually means you've sent too many requests too quickly. In other words, the website is asking you to slow down. So before you do anything else, stop refreshing the page. Spam refreshing can actually make the problem worse because every new refresh sends another request to the server and can extend the wait time even more. Instead, pause for at least 60 seconds, and in some cases, up to 5 minutes. Many websites include a hidden retry timer that lifts the block automatically once the cooldown period ends. So the first fix is often the simplest one: wait it out. If the error is still there after waiting, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. This can remove corrupted or outdated site data that may be triggering the issue. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. In the window that opens, make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Then click Delete Data. After that, close Chrome completely and restart it. Once Chrome opens again, revisit the website and check if the 429 error is gone. Another common cause is a VPN or proxy. Some websites block traffic that looks suspicious, and using a VPN or proxy can make your connection appear like repeated requests are coming from a filtered or shared IP address. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off and try again. If you're using a proxy, disable that as well. Then reload the website and see if it responds normally. You should also check your browser extensions, especially anything that scrapes pages, auto-refreshes content, or runs background requests. These extensions can accidentally trigger rate limits without you realizing it. In Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any extensions that might be sending extra requests or interfering with the site. If you're not sure which one is causing it, disable them one by one and test the page again. If the problem is tied to your network instead of your browser, you may need to force an IP address reset through your router. Sometimes, the server places a temporary block on your current public IP address. To refresh it, unplug your internet router or modem from the power source. Wait a full 30 seconds so everything clears properly, then plug it back in. Once your internet reconnects, your ISP will often assign a fresh IP address. After that, open Chrome and try the website again. One more helpful fix is to flush your DNS cache. This can clear old routing data that may be keeping Chrome connected to a bad path. On Windows, click the search bar, type Command Prompt and open it as Administrator, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. When you see the confirmation message, restart Chrome and test the site again. So, to quickly recap, the best ways to fix Chrome error 429 are to stop refreshing and wait, clear your cache and cookies, disconnect any VPN or proxy, turn off extensions that scrape or reload pages, reset your router to get a new IP address, and flush your DNS cache. In many cases, one of these steps will solve it right away. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment and I'll help you troubleshoot it further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.